Hey everybody, my name's Eric with supertechnicalseo.com, and today we're going to be talking about how to add a new blog to a Squarespace site. So to get started, we first have to have a blog, and I recommend writing your blog in something like Google Docs first before you put it on your Squarespace site, because that will just make it a little bit easier to see what's going on when you're not in the code editor. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to login.squarespace.com like this, and then you're going to enter in your email address and your password. So I have this saved right here through LastPass, so I'm just going to click on this and log in. And then once you're in here, this is called your dashboard here. So we're going to click on the site that we want to edit, and you could have many sites in here if you manage multiple Squarespace sites, but we just have one here, so we're going to click on that. And then on the left menu here, we're going to click on Pages. And you'll notice right here we have a blog, and this is a blog folder with 3 different blogs underneath it. And so we want to add a new one. So we're going to click on Add Page here, and we're not going to click on Page here. We're actually going to click on this blog option here with the A icon. Click on that, and then we have to name our new blog. So I'm going to go over here, copy this, and go back. I'm going to click here and give it this name right here. Click Save. And then the next thing I'm going to do is click back on this gearbox here, and we're going to give it a new slug. So let's call this /it's, and I'm going to put a hyphen between each word. It's negotiation-time. Keep these 4 things in mind. So there we go. And the page title again is going to be the same thing as the navigation title. And I have the option here to put in an optional page description, and I'm not going to fill that out because it isn't visible to the user, so I'm just not going to bother. And I'm going to click now on the Save button. And the next thing that I'm going to do is click here. And I'm actually in the page itself now. So what I'm going to do is click here where it says Add a Post in this little blank white spot on our new page here. And so again, let's give it a title. It's going to be the same thing that we put before. And then inside this right here box, I'm going to paste in this information. It's already been written. Get rid of some extra spaces here. And that looks pretty good to me. So next thing I'm going to do is come down here to tags, and I'm going to give this a tag of real estate, and then a category also of real estate. I'm going to keep comments off for this, but you absolutely can turn comments on. Next thing I'm going to do is go here under options, and if there was an image that I could upload to this, I would click right here to add it. But I don't have one at this time, so I'm just going to leave this alone. This URL is fine because we filled that out earlier. The source URL, this is if your blog that you add is copied from somewhere else that's already been published on the internet, but this is the very first time this information is ever appearing on the internet, so I'm going to leave that alone as well. This excerpt here I'm also going to leave alone because I don't have a blog page where I can preview that right now, so it's not necessary for me to fill that out. Location here, this is saying where was the author located in the world for this blog. So the name of the business is The Good Living Group. And I can actually go to the site here at the bottom and just copy this office address. So I'm going to smack that in there. This is in the United States. Okay. And under the social tab here, this website is not connected to any social media accounts, so I'm going to leave this alone for now. And we're good to go. Let us save and publish this. Then we're going to go back here. And I'm going to drag this up here to the top because this is actually the most recent blog. And underneath this drop-down menu right here, it's going to show them in the order that you leave them over here in the left menu. And so I want people to see this one first because it's the most recent blog. So that's going to be about it. We're actually done. So we're going to go over here on our website, and I'm just going to give it a quick refresh like this. And if I come under here under blog now, here is our most recent blog that we just added 1 second ago. Click on that, and here it is. So I hope that this has been helpful for you guys with learning how to add a new blog to a Squarespace site. If you have any questions, please go to my website, supertechnicalseo.com, and let me know any questions that you have, and I'll be sure to either update this or make a new video just for you. So thanks again for watching. I'm Eric, and I appreciate it a lot.